Hello everyone, welcome back to EduChannel. In our previous lecture, we are done with the case system. In this lecture, we will be talking about the Unity UI. So let's move towards Unity. So basically, what is Unity UI? UI stands for user interface. So Unity provides a user interface for the person who is looking or using the virtual reality. So he can interact with the objects and make some of the actions to move those particular objects. So first of all, we will be going to game object, and you can see a tab over here, UI. In UI, you will be creating a panel. So you can see this panel is quite huge. So we will be decreasing the size of this particular panel. So first of all, I will be putting the scale as 0.1. It's up to you, like however you want to scale. So I will be putting 0.1, 0.1 as well as 0.1 over here. Okay. So this is for the panel that we are doing. You have to move towards the canvas too. The canvas is quite huge. So over here you will be changing the rendering mode to world space, because the screen space stand for it will be moving or it will stick towards your face and it will be causing you a motion sickness. So you will be moving to world space because it will be aligned towards that particular thing. So over here I have clicked on word space. Then I will be decreasing the size of the scale at 0.1, 0.1 and 0.1, right? And similarly, I will be decreasing the width and height. That is, similarly, I will be positioning it properly, what is expected. So over here, you can see the UI that is in front of the camera. So I will be clicking on it, and this is a panel as well as, so I will be bringing it up and I will be aligning according to the need that you need according to the camera, right? So I will be like, the height is quite big, so I can decrease the height as 120. This much be enough for me. Okay, so now I will be moving this canvas under the player. Okay, so the canvas is under the player right now. Right. Now we will be adding some of the buttons over here that you want to make the object move. So I will be adding a game object. I will be going in UI again and I will be putting button. So you can see the button is quite huge over here. Similarly, I will be decreasing the width over here. That is up to you. I will be putting as 80. Oh, sorry. So first of all, I have changed the scale of this particular button over here. You can see. Now you can put the width or height of that particular thing. So I will be making it as 100. So, or I can also make it as 120. Yeah, this will be fine. So I will be aligning it in between of this thing, UI. Okay. Now you can see this button. I will be when you will be opening a button over here, you can see there is a child class name at text. So over here you can see there is a text script on which I will be writing teleport, because you will be doing teleportation over here, and you can see there are some of the characters that you can add. You can make it normal, you can make it bold, and or you can make it whatever you want to underline that thing. Okay. Now I will be renaming this thing. I will be writing over here teleport, right? Yes. So we have a button over here in a panel as well as in a canvas we have over here. So now you can see there is a canvas scaler over here. So you can align according to the dynamic per pixel, like I can increase to make it more clear, or we can say more clarity. You can provide a lot of clarity to that particular text over here. So I can also put 10, so you can see it's more clear for me. So I will be going with 5 over here. Okay. Now whenever you're opening a panel, you can see there is an image script over here. So whenever you're making this image on or off, you can see the complete background that gets disappear and it gets appear. So I will be making that thing on. Similarly, if you're going for the button part, when you're opening the button, you can see there is a image for the button that you can even change the color of that particular thing, or you can also add a material for that particular button. Similarly, we are having a button script over here in which we will be creating our own script for making the change, or whenever you're clicking that thing, that particular object should move or it should get teleported from one place to another. So this is the script that will be creating our new one. So this was all about the UI that we have created and the button that will be helping us to move all around the places in a particular room. So this is all about the Unity UI. In our next lecture, we will be making this button gazeable and interactable. So we will be looking forward in our next lecture. Thank you.